Hello everyone, my name is Pankhuri and today I'll explain 4 important JavaScript concepts using in my Quizmaster project. Adding click event listener, using if else statements, updating the score with variables. So first question I would like to explain how do I add a click event listener to a button using add event listener. So here to make a button respond when the user click it, I use the add event listener method. An event listener waits for a specific events such as a click and then runs a function automatically. Or you can see the live. So here it's start automatically. Then start at event listener, click start quiz. So in this example, I first select the start button using document.getElement by id. Then I attach a click event listener to it. When the user click the button, the start quiz function is executed automatically. In my Quizmaster project, I used event listener for the start, next and restart button. This allows user to interact with the application, making the quiz dynamically and user friendly. So my second question, how do I use an if else statement to check if an answer is correct? So here I used if else question for check the question answer. If else text correct answer button class list add correct. So an if else statement is a decision making statement. If JavaScript it allows the program to perform different action depending on whether a condition is true or false. So then I used this. If else select the answer correct equal to correct answer, console.log correct and else console.log what's answer, wrong one answer. Here the programming comparison, the user select answer with the correct answer. If both values are equal, the condition is true and the programming display correct. Otherwise, if display wrong answer. So in my Quizmaster project, I use this logic to check every answer and dynamically logic and determine whether the user select the correct option before moving to the next question. So my next question is that how do I declare and update a variable to keep track of a score? So here to keep track of the user score, I used a variable. A variable stores data that can change while the programming is running. Just at the beginning of the quiz, I declared the score variable and initialize it to 0. Let score 0. Here let score 0. Then the whether the user answers a question correctly, I increase the score by 1, means score plus plus. Then the score plus plus statement increase the values of the score by each time correct answer is selected. So in my Quizmaster project, this variable keep track of the user's total correct answer and at the end of the quiz, I display the final score on the result screen. My fourth question, which I am going to explain. How can I give the user visual feedback? For example, changing the button color based on their answer. So visual feedback helps user immediately understand and whether their answer is correct or incorrect. So in JavaScript, I can change the button's style after the user select an answer. So for example, if select answer is equal to correct answer, button style dot background color green. So I use here, the color will be changed. If the answer is correct, the button change the green, and if the answer is incorrect, the color it change to red. So in my Quizmaster project, this visual feedback improve the user experience because user can instantly see where they select the correct answer before moving to the next question. This JavaScript concept makes Quizmaster application interactive and user friendly. So thank you for watching my presentation. We will meet in next video. Thank you.